Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Carla, and if you are starting a business or looking to scale an existing one, building a solid business credit profile is essential. Today, I'm going to guide you through the steps to establish business credit effectively. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's dive into the vital topic for business success. First up, let's understanding what business credit is. Similar to personal credit, business credit it helps companies to borrow money based on past repayment histories. It's crucial for obtaining more funding, loans, leasing equipment, or even negotiating payments terms with suppliers. Knowing which credit bureaus to deal with in business on the business side is essential. Primarily, business credit activity are tracked by Experienced Business, Equifax Business, and Dun and Bradstreet. Why I specify business Experience in Equifax is because it's confusing. These companies have personal side too, which is one of the two of the three main bureaus for the personal side. It's the same for business. So just have to be as we keep separate personal business and business personal credit and business credit. Well, basically that's what we want to do too on Experian when we check each side in Equifax. So to start building the business credit, first you need to establish your business as an entity separated from yourself. So that, like I just mentioned, we need to keep separate your personal everything from your business. So incorporate your business entity or form an LLC to separate your personal and business finances, business credit and personal credit, everything. Just keep it separate. The next step is obtain an employer identification number or EIN from the IRS. So, which basically is essential for your business. This is basically your social security number for your business, as you have a social security number for your name or your personal side. The next step is going to be open a business account or business bank account under your business name using your EIN only. Do not put your social security on the application. Never do that. We want to keep it separate. So, considering the fact that the EIN is the social for your business, that's the only thing you need. Even though the application that you are completing might ask for your social security number, don't put it on. We want to keep it separate. You don't want they tie your personal credit or your personal social with your business neither. So just keep this in mind. The next step is set up a dedicated business phone line and ensure it is listed under the business name. That's going to help you to have something under your business name. That way you can go from there with the vendors and create your business profile and your business credit. It's going to help you out. Um, One of the personal, this is not a sponsor or anything, but you can go to any company. I personally use Verizon, and account with I have my business account with Verizon, and it's fine. It's great. So just check it out, or you can go to whatever company do you use. Just get a business line or put your phone under your business and go from there. If you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like this video, drop any question if you have regarding this content in the comment section below, and don't miss out joining my free VIP group that I will leave in the link in the description box below for more in-depth tips and support in your business journey, personal journey. Coming back to the subject, building credit involves dealing with vendors and suppliers that report to credit bureaus. Here is how to do that. But before I tell you those details, we want to be able to get these vendors and supplier report just to the business credit bureaus. So that's also that we want to keep separate. We want to keep separate the personal bureaus with the business credit bureaus. So if we want a credit cards, we want them to just report to the business side, just the business side, because there is some business products that report to both. So if it comes to the point that you have some issues with the credit, it's gonna hurt both, and we don't want that. So that's why we want to keep it separate. Same thing, if you have something going on your personal side and your business side is good, you can get funding and leverage the business side until you get your personal in track. So you see the point here. That's why we want to everything keep it separate. So coming back, basically, how to do this, how you can build credit with vendors and suppliers and all of that. So basically, you're gonna start with vendors accounts that report to the agent to the credit agencies. These are accounts like office supplies or wholesale good providers, which are good to start with. The next step is pay your invoice on time or early. On time, on time payments is crucial factor in building your in building a strong credit score. So just keep that in mind. Again, everything is kind of the same semantic with personal and business. You always want to pay your bills on time. It doesn't matter what it is, just pay your bills or invoice on time. The next thing is gonna get your business credit card. Use it wisely to handle business expenses and build your credit. Just business expenses. So again, we want to keep these two factors separate. So if you want to use your business credit card, is for business purpose. Just that. By the end of the day, you're gonna simplify for your life if you keep your personal and business separate, because for tax purpose, it's gonna be a huge difference. Once you have access to credit, managing it responsibly is key to build your credit profile. So keep your credit utilization low. Aim for under 10% utilization for of your credit limit. What do I mean to that? I'm not saying to just spend 10% of your credit limit. That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is you can spend it all. You can pull out your credit card and pay it off and reuse it. You can keep doing that cycle as much as you want. What I'm saying is, like, by the statement date, is you have to report at least 10% or less of your credit limit. So I will suggest you that maybe 2 days before your statement date close, or this date that the bank is gonna take a snapshot of your account or a picture, and it's gonna basically close it, or whatever it is that they do, you're going to pay off that credit card as and just leave 10% of your credit limit or less. And then what you're gonna do is, by the statement date close, you're gonna have just 10% of the credit limit as a debt. That is gonna show on your credit on your statement. And then what you're gonna do is, by the due date or before, you're gonna pay that 10% off, and you go from there. You're gonna keep reusing it, and that's how the game goes. So it's pretty simple. It can get complicated if you don't know how to, but this is the proper way to use it. And again, if you do as I say, you can use your full amount, paid off, use the full amount. At the end, the business, I mean, the entity or the financial institution is going to notice that you need more finance, that you're gonna need more funding. So what they're gonna do is increase your limit, and that's also a good thing. So if you see you're gonna let them know, hey, this is not enough for me. I'm keep reusing the amount because you don't give me enough. So they're gonna increase your limit, and you can go from there. So that's how you start building that relationship with banks or financial institution, vendors, suppliers, and go from there. The next thing that you can do is monitor your credit report, your business credit report regularly. So ensure all information is accurate and up to date. Check for inaccuracy, check for anything discrepancy, anything that is wrong. Check it out and dispute it. That way you have your credit profile, your credit report nice and neat, that the way that is supposed to. And the one last thing is increase your credit line as your business growth to improve your credit capacity. So you always need to be wonder, like, okay, I every certain period of time you can request a credit line increase for your business. So you're gonna spend it, you're gonna use it. That way they know that you really use it, you need it, and you need more. So with a solid business credit score, you can leverage it to expand your business. This is how you can apply for larger loans with a better interest rate. You can negotiate better terms with suppliers, vendors, and much more. You can attract new business opportunity with a strong financial reputation. So basically what I'm saying with this is like you have all of that you can do to win in get more funding on your business side and go from there. This is what we are aiming for. Fund business funding that can you can reach whatever you want to do with your business. With all that being said, establishing your business credit is a foundational step toward a long-term business success. By separating your personal and business finances, dealing responsibly with credit, and continuously monitoring and improving your credit score and your credit profile, you can set your business up for opportunities that were previously out of your reach. So thank you for watching this video. Remember, establishing your good business credit doesn't happen overnight. So this is a process, but with consistent effort, you can significantly enhance your business credit or you can enhance your business financial health to the top. Subscribe for more useful content. Like this video if you appreciate the tips, and check out my free VIP group that I will leave the link in the description box below for more exclusive insight and support. See you in the next one. Bye.